guys, Maxine here from AccessoryGeeks.com. I have in front of me the Samsung Droid Charge standard battery. Now this is a great little ditty to have handy in the event that you just need extra juice for your Droid Charge. Or even if you want to replace the battery that originally came with your model. So, whatever you happen to need it for, this is great. It's 1600 milliamps, so about the size of a standard battery, and it's great for just adding an extra talk time or data usage to your phone. So you can find the original Samsung Droid Charge standard batteries on AccessoryGeeks.com for $29.99. Plus, you can get 15% off using your YouTube subscriber coupon, so take advantage of that. And as always, free shipping. So check it out, let us know what you think, and don't forget that you got it from a geek.